es que sí, ya sé, pero triple. Ese es el problema. Porque tú no haces más, aquí hacemos el double D. Y tú tienes que estar con su mejor tirador. Y no estás. Y me dices ya, pero no me vale para nada que me digas ya. No me vale para nada. Me vale que hagas tu trabajo bien, tío.
No, look. The more important detail is control the ball, control the pace. And they running with easy shot. And when my team run, we have a lot of doubt. No doubt. What want to play? Lo que tú quieras jugar, pero juégalo bien.
Son puntos gratis. Sin esfuerzo de ningún tipo.
Yeah, we need more guys. We need to play tougher in defense and in offense also. Because they are attacking, the ref is not calling, they don't want to call, but we have to play hard.
Don't think about the defense too much. Think about play basketball. Move the ball, be aggressive, put spacing, pass the ball, okay?
Now they want more than us. We find here easy baskets. Play defense. Play fucking defense. Play fucking defense. And after you're running and play well to save the ball and continue to play, yes? Let's go, guys, let's go.